Welcome to another 60-second power-up. The Note Home had a great run, but today's digital world calls for an upgrade. Today we're going to look at the Online Message Center, a tool you can use to keep in touch with students and parents. When you first log in and are on the Educator Access Plus home screen, recent messages will always appear on the right-hand side of the page. Simply scroll over the title to view the message. To access the full Message Center, enter your gradebook. Under the Other Access drop-down menu, select Message Center. A complete history of your messages for all classes is on this page. The small arrow indicates how messages are being sorted. Click on a different heading to make a change. On the right-hand side, you can edit, clone, or recall a message. To start a message, select an audience from this panel. If you'd like to contact an individual student, you will find them listed under the Current Class button. Within the forms, determine your audience and where you'd like the message to be displayed: family or student access, or via email. It's as easy as that. Check out the other 60-second power-ups and become even more Skyward savvy.